31-year-old Kevin Ahn in a Baltimore County courtroom today, charged with murdering two people and staging the deaths to look like suicides. It's a story we've been on top of since a police incident right here in the Susquehanna Valley. Thanks for staying with us on News 8 at 5:30. I'm Brian Roach.
And I'm Lori Burkholder. Sarah Metz has been following this story since March when Ahn was arrested for abuse of a corpse in Lancaster County after he was found driving around his mother's dead body in Penn Township. Those charges were dropped earlier this month so that Ahn could be extradited to Maryland to face the murder charges there.
All new tonight, Kate Amara from our sister station in Baltimore was in the court with Ahn this afternoon and has more of what happened.
Tonight, Kevin Ahn remains behind bars without bail, charged with 2 counts of first-degree murder and ordered to undergo a competency evaluation after his behavior here in court today. This was an unusual bail review hearing. It began with the defendant, 31-year-old Kevin Ahn, nodding yes when the judge asked, "Are you Mr. Ahn?" and then refusing to participate at all, standing completely still and silent for quite some time until the question of competency was raised by the judge, by the prosecutor, and the public defender in the courtroom. "I spoke to him," she said. "He expressed that he does not want a public defender. He has been uncooperative since arriving at the Baltimore County Detention Center Friday," the prosecutor told the court, "and has refused to give a DNA sample despite a search warrant." According to court charging documents, Ahn murdered his mother's elderly roommate in Owings Mills and that woman's ex-husband before sloppily staging the home to look like suicide. He then, according to police, tried and failed to break into his mother's safe before taking off with the man's wallet and car keys. As the judge began to speak about competency, Ahn interrupted. "I know my amendments, all of them," he said. "I am invoking my amendments. I would like to use my right to remain silent and freedom of speech." And then, speaking about why he did not want a public defender, Ahn told the judge, "All they do is have you fill out paperwork. They won't ever fight for you. All public defenders have allowed me to do in the past is plead guilty." You said the case was specially assigned to you, and you said you had competency concerns.
So I am the chief of circuit courts. One of my positions is to charge the homicide cases. This is one of the cases I will be keeping based on his actions, what we know, and how he's been acting since he returned to Baltimore or to Maryland. There are competency concerns. The mental health evaluators will evaluate him, and we'll go from there.
"May I ask to not participate in the competency evaluation?" Ahn asked the court shortly after, saying, "If I don't want to talk, I shouldn't have to talk." The state told us they expect to get an indictment in this case in 2 weeks before Ahn's next court date in mid-August. In Baltimore County, I'm Kate Amara, News 8.